Imagine a life where luck is no longer elusive, where your dreams are within reach and your aspirations can become reality. Are you fed up with feeling like luck is always just out of reach? Maybe you've tried your hand at the lottery, dreaming of that life-changing win, only to face disappointment time and again. It's a frustrating cycle that leaves many wondering if there's a hidden key to turning luck into real, lasting success. But pay close attention, because today you'll learn how one woman from Chicago used this exact method to hit the jackpot and achieve financial stability, and how you can apply the same principles to manifest your success. It's just a simple method that can truly transform your life in just 3 days, simply by repeating a few key phrases to yourself. I will explain in detail what this technique is and how to use it. But before we start, I invite you to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with everyone you care about. Comment below how open you are to receiving abundance from the universe by saying, "I am allowing the universe to make me rich." Let your words echo through the cosmos, attracting all that you desire. Manifestation is often misunderstood as mere wishful thinking, but it's a far more profound practice. It's about consciously directing your thoughts and emotions to create the life you want. This concept is grounded in the law of attraction, which suggests that like attracts like. Positive thoughts bring positive experiences, and negative thoughts bring the opposite. However, the practice of manifestation goes beyond simply thinking positively. It requires a deep alignment of your entire being, your thoughts, emotions, and actions, with your desires. This means cultivating a mindset that consistently reflects the reality you wish to create, engaging in behaviors that support your goals, and maintaining an emotional state that resonates with the outcomes you seek. By doing so, you create a powerful synergy that not only attracts, but actively manifests the circumstances, opportunities, and relationships that are in harmony with your aspirations. This holistic approach to manifestation underscores the importance of coherence between what you desire and how you live, ensuring that your internal and external worlds are congruent. Emotions play a crucial role in this process as well. Maintaining an emotional state that resonates with the outcomes you seek helps to reinforce the positive energy required for manifestation. This means fostering feelings of gratitude, joy, and anticipation for the future, even before it materializes. By consistently aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your desires, you create a powerful synergy. This synergy not only attracts opportunities and circumstances that align with your goals, but also enhances your ability to recognize and seize these opportunities when they arise. This practice emphasizes the importance of coherence between your internal and external worlds. When your inner beliefs and desires are in harmony with your external actions and behaviors, you are more likely to experience a seamless flow of events that lead to the fulfillment of your aspirations. This holistic approach ensures that your efforts are not undermined by subconscious doubts or contradictory actions, making the manifestation process more effective and rewarding. Let's delve into a story that perfectly illustrates these principles. Then we will discuss how you can do it too. Meet Sarah, a young woman from Chicago who had always dreamed of winning a significant lottery jackpot. Despite her consistent efforts and occasional wins, she never quite managed to hit the big one. That is until she decided to apply the principles of manifestation seriously. Inspired by the teachings of Neville Goddard, Sarah began to see her lottery play as more than just a game of chance. She realized it was an opportunity to practice focused visualization and the law of assumption. Sarah would spend time each day vividly imagining herself winning the lottery. She didn't just see the winning numbers. She felt the exhilaration of seeing her ticket match the numbers drawn, the joy of holding the winning ticket, and the relief and excitement that came with knowing her life was about to change. But Sarah's approach went beyond mere visualization. She lived as if she had already won the jackpot. This didn't mean reckless spending. Instead, she adopted the mindset and habits of someone who managed wealth wisely and kept repeating 3 words to herself every day, "and I will reveal them later." She started learning about financial planning, investing, and philanthropy, all in preparation for the life she envisioned. Sarah also kept her environment positive, surrounding herself with affirmations and reminders of her goals. The law of assumption, as taught by Neville Goddard, played a pivotal role in Sarah's journey. This law revolves around the idea of assuming the feeling of the wish fulfilled, that is, embracing the belief and acting as if what you desire has already manifested in your life. For Sarah, this meant adopting the mindset and demeanor of a lottery winner long before she actually won the jackpot. She internalized this belief so deeply that it permeated every aspect of her life. Sarah didn't just superficially mimic the actions of a lottery winner. She fully embodied the reality of her future success. This process involved a profound psychological shift where she moved from mere hopeful wishing to a state of confident expectation. She lived each day with the mindset that her desired outcome was not only possible, but inevitable. This mindset influenced her choices, from the way she managed her finances to the conversations she had with others. Sarah spoke about her dreams and plans with a sense of certainty and calm, as if they were already a done deal, while repeating only 3 words. Now, I promise to share these 3 words so you can incorporate them into your daily routine to amplify your manifestation practice. These 3 are simple yet powerful words can transform your mindset and open the doors to abundance. By repeating these words daily, you can reinforce your belief in your goals and align your energy with your desires. So, what are these words? I am wealthy. These words aren't just about financial wealth. They encompass a wealth of love, joy, opportunities, and positive experiences. When you say, I am wealthy, you're affirming that you already possess the abundance you seek, thus attracting even more into your life. This affirmation helps to rewire your subconscious mind, fostering a deep sense of fulfillment and abundance. It shifts your focus from a state of lack to a state of having, which is crucial in the manifestation process. By consistently affirming, I am wealthy, you begin to embody the qualities of wealth and prosperity in all forms, making it easier for these energies to manifest in your reality. Remember, the key to effective affirmation is not just repetition, but truly believing in the words you speak and feeling the emotions associated with them. In practical terms, this meant she started preparing for her life post-win in tangible ways. She researched and educated herself about financial management, knowing that with great wealth comes great responsibility. Sarah also thought about how she would give back to her community and the causes she cared about, outlining plans for charitable donations and community projects. This forward-thinking approach not only kept her aligned with her goal, but also made her feel more connected to the reality she was working towards. Sarah's consistency and unwavering belief were crucial to her success. She didn't just visualize her goals occasionally, she made it a daily practice, embedding the vision of her success deeply into her subconscious mind. This daily ritual of visualization was more than just imagining numbers. It was about feeling the emotions associated with winning: joy, relief, excitement, and gratitude. These emotions acted as a powerful magnet, drawing her closer to her desired outcome. In addition to visualization, Sarah took practical steps that aligned with her vision. She budgeted as if she were already wealthy, making thoughtful financial decisions that reflected her future status. This approach not only prepared her mentally for the responsibilities of wealth, but also created a tangible framework within which her newfound wealth could be effectively managed. Furthermore, she engaged in activities that she planned to pursue once she won, such as learning more about philanthropy and community engagement, which enriched her understanding of the impact she wanted to have. The turning point came on an ordinary day, seemingly no different from any other. Sarah bought her lottery ticket, just as she had many times before, and went through her visualization process. As the numbers were drawn, she experienced a surreal moment of realization. She had matched every single number. The emotions that followed were a mixture of joy, disbelief, and deep gratitude. However, Sarah knew this was not just a random stroke of luck. It was the culmination of months of diligent mental preparation, unwavering belief, and consistent practice. This victory was not merely about winning money. It was about validating the power of belief and the law of assumption in shaping one's reality. One of the most important things also is living in the end. It is a concept that involves acting as if your goals have already been achieved. This isn't about pretending or deceiving yourself. It's about embodying the mindset and behaviors of someone who has already succeeded. Make decisions that align with your desired reality, whether that's in your personal life, career, or financial habits. By doing so, you create a coherent energy that attracts your goals to you. Consistency and patience are key. Manifestation is not a one-off event, but a continuous practice. Make it a habit to engage in visualization, affirmations, and actions that support your goals daily. This consistency not only reinforces your beliefs, but also builds momentum, gradually bringing your desires into reality. To amplify your practice, incorporate the simple yet powerful daily affirmation, "I am wealthy." This mantra isn't solely about financial wealth. It encompasses a wealth of love, joy, opportunities, and positive experiences. By affirming, "I am wealthy," you acknowledge the abundance already present in your life, attracting even more into your experience. This phrase helps shift your mindset from scarcity to abundance, which is crucial for manifesting wealth in all its forms. Remember, the key to effective affirmation lies in truly believing the words you speak and feeling the emotions associated with them. As we conclude, remember that the power to transform your life lies within your hands. Manifestation is not just about wishful thinking or random luck. It is a deliberate, intentional practice that aligns your inner world with your outer reality. Whether you're aiming for a financial windfall, a fulfilling career, or personal growth, the principles of manifestation provide a roadmap to achieving your deepest desires. The journey of manifestation requires commitment, belief, and consistent action. It's about more than just visualizing or affirming. It's about embodying the change you wish to see in your life. So, take the first step today. Embrace your goals, believe in your capacity to achieve them, and begin to live as if they are already realized. The universe responds to those who believe in the possibility of their dreams. By cultivating a mindset of abundance, reinforcing your beliefs, and consistently taking actions that align with your goals, you can create the life you've always dreamed of. So don't wait for the perfect moment. Start now, and watch as your world transforms in extraordinary ways. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.